Dr. Penner, did you miss us over that break?
I mean, you'll see us
Right.
dancing.
Oh, you mean just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I didn't.
Okay. We're going to talk about the eyeball, and I'm going to provide some introductory remarks, and then we'll go back and we'll go through PowerPoint. But basically, the wall of the eyeball is formed of 3 different layers. These are called tunics. And the outermost layer, which I've drawn here, is called the fibrous tunic. Now, the posterior part, which makes up about 5/6 of the fibrous tunic, is referred to as the sclera. So from here all the way around, all the way up to here is called the sclera. This is also known as the white of the eye. It's made out of tough, dense, connective tissue, and this connective tissue is continuous with the dura mater that covers the optic nerve in the back. Okay? So the dura mater here is continuous with the sclera. Anteriorly, the sclera gives rise to a transparent layer of tissue which serves as the window to the eye, which allows light rays to enter the eye. This is called the cornea. The cornea. This allows light rays into the eyes to be focused on the retina. Now, the cornea is avascular, meaning it doesn't have blood vessels. If it did, that would interfere with vision. But it has lots of sensory nerve endings that are associated with fibers that travel through V1. These sensory fibers are carried by the ophthalmic division of cranial nerve 5. So that if you, for instance, scratch your cornea, it's very painful. It's very, very painful. Now, as we said, the sclera is a very tough membrane. The extrinsic eye muscles attach to the sclera. So what muscle would this be? That would be the superior rectus. Or here would be the inferior rectus. That's going to attach to the sclera. Okay? So this outer layer is called the fibrous tunic. Deep to it is the vascular tunic. So I'll draw this kind of in red to represent blood flow. This layer here, that I've drawn deep to the sclera, is a very darkly pigmented layer called the choroid. Now, this pigmented layer, what it does is it absorbs scattered light, so it doesn't bounce around within the eye. But it also carries a lot of blood vessels to all the other layers within the eye. Anteriorly, the choroid gives rise to what's called a ciliary body. What I'm drawing here are ciliary processes of the ciliary body.